Hey guys and gals, this is Blake Morrow. You are listening to the Daily Roundup. Can you guys, how come that's not working? Oh, wait, no. I was trying to start my video, but that's, great, Irina, you can hear me? I'm trying to actually, oh, maybe that's it. There we go. Okay, good. Maybe you guys can see me now. All right, how you guys doing? Perfect. All right, so I'm gonna explain to you guys like what my issue right now with the market is, and this is like for me kind of a big issue. Which if you were, earlier, I was telling you guys I wanted to sell the euro up here at the 120.80 level. The high was 120.76. I did not pull the trigger. Did any of you guys sell? Any of you guys short the euro up there? Irina did? Okay, good. Good for you. That was glad I wasn't in front of the computer at that very moment when we got up towards that resistance. But you can see how, it's important resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if we go back up and retest that area anyway. Steph did from 65. Okay, very good. Jason said I shorted the Aussie and bought US dollar Canadian. So if you shorted the Aussie, so the Aussie came up towards that 50% retracement. We, marked that up as 76 or 77.70, right? 77.70. So the high was at 76.65. So that's pretty good. The problem that I have with the markets right now is this. The dollar Canadian's trading really heavy. Like super heavy. The other problem that I have with the market right now, Dan said he shorted the Aussie at 54. You got to be real careful. The other thing I'm having a problem with the market right now is the dollar Mexican peso completed the AB equals CD move, right? AB equals CD move. And then now we're struggling at this resistance. So I'm looking at everything right now, and I just watched the S&P come off, and as you did too, like just me. I'm the only person that saw this. No, you guys saw it too. The S&P pulled back this morning. Great. NASDAQ pulled back too. Great. Dow is near the highs. Russell 2000 is not far off of the highs of the day. So that's the problem I have with being short risk, is that you have the Russell, the Dow that are still holding up pretty well. And then you have the dollar CAD that's near lows. You have, the dollar Mexican peso that's near lows. So I don't know. And let's talk about the S&P really quick. Yeah, the S&P is near its lows of the session, but I mean, have we changed this uptrend? I don't think so. And so that I believe is the issue with being short risk at the moment. Short Aussies, short euro, long the dollar Canadian. Just be really careful. If you guys happen to be short risk, keep your stops close now. Because if this market just rips to new highs, you don't want to be hanging around. Like here's the Rand, kind of like the dollar Mex. that's trading a little heavier. The US dollar, South African rand is trading heavy as well. You know, US dollar, Norwegian krona, it's actually down on the session now. You know, we start breaking through this support through here, like just some hourly support for the day. I mean, this will be new lows of the week, basically, if we, you know, crack through 826. That's just another, you know, thing that's suggesting that the markets may, you know, rally again. Also with these cryptocurrencies, for crying out loud. I mean, you got Dogecoin is near all-time highs once again. That's like the ultimate risk on. I mean, do you think Bitcoin rallying is a risk on, you know, type of tool, or Ethereum near, you know, at all-time highs? This Dogecoin, when you have a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke, and it's moving higher and it's at all-time highs, and there's billions of dollars invested into it. How are stocks supposed to turn lower when stuff like that's happening? I don't know. I don't know. That's why be careful. Be careful. All right. Other than that, guys, it's pretty slow. And it is a holiday today. It's a bank holiday in the UK. A lot of my European partners, you know, Amanda's out for the most part right now. You know, Steve and Stelios are out as well, you know. So just it's kind of a slow meandering session. Hopefully later on this week's going to get a little bit busier. But other than that, guys, anything I can look out for you? Because I don't see anything else on my radar other than, I guess I should talk about. Silver. We broke that 2680. Gold. We're almost at that 1805. As a matter of fact, where can silver go? I mean, silver might get all the way out to 2780, maybe 28, to challenge the underside of this broken trend line. So that would be the next stop right here. That looks doable. All right, guys. Thank you all for your continued support. I appreciate each and every one of you. And just remember, risk is bid. Watch the Canadian, watch the peso. Hell, even watch the Aussie. I mean, Aussie could break above the highs. I mean, the pullbacks have been kind of minimal here. So I just think risk is still pretty well bid. All right. See you guys. Have a great one. Thank you.